Next question. Let me just check if I am not skipping any question. I believe I skipped one. Sorry about that. It says, Shalom, Rabbi. My question is, am I allowed to learn and say a bracha as a non-Jew?
So, if somebody is in the process of conversion, yes. But in the process, if somebody has no intention to convert, I would say no. I mean, they not at least not a Jewish formula, right? Person can, a non-Jew can make up their own blessings, right? Of course, they don't go overboard, but yes, and they make up their own prayers. There is no problem whatsoever. You're welcome. It's the problem is the wording. Mm-hmm. You're welcome.
Next question. Regarding learning the Bracha question,
mm-hmm.
I'm in the process of conversion,
mm-hmm.
but to be precise, is it allowed to say it at what point, meaning the Bracha? For example, when someone decides to become Jewish, or right before one is ready for conversion. Thank you, Rabbi.
No, a person must be on a formal process of conversion. That doesn't matter how long it's going to take. You understand? So it has to be confirmed with the rabbi who's in charge of the conversion, with the Beis Din, something has to be in place. So just somebody decided to convert does not mean absolutely anything, because people change their minds when they learn about the real Judaism. Like women, I would say it's much easier for them. I would say, right? But the men who say, yeah, but and you would need to do circumcision. Circumcision? I'm not going. Okay, so you're out, or. You understand, or you show them Siddur, and how many people you've not probably said many times, people shock me. They usually people don't like to have a rabbi who tell me what to do. Nobody tells me what to do, right? I'm a tzaddik. This Chabadnik told me that I'm a tzaddik. That's you understand. So they spoil these people, and they pray exactly the Siddur with the translation. I don't have it now, this thick. I don't know how many pages. With Tehillim, let's say, I don't know, 900 pages. Without Tehillim, 800 pages, plus or minus. The Shacharis itself in my Siddur, when I have translation, when I have this art scroll, right? When I have all of these footnotes and explanations, so it's Shacharis is 185, 170, I don't know, let's say 170 pages, let's say divide by 2, let's say not all of the pages. Okay, so 60 pages, let's say full 60 pages. You have to pray. So the guy prays 1.5 page, so 1.5. It's what I counted. It's 1/3 of the page. But what do we do with the rest of the Siddur? What do we do with the rest of the Shachris? You normal? So when people start learning and see how much they have to do, technicality. Sorry, and it's not exception. It's from day. It's on every day. Every day. So they cool off and they don't go through the gear. There are many cases like that. Right. We send many people curriculum and some material to learn, and many people never ever contacted me back. I don't know, maybe they still learn because we explained it seriously. What does it mean? So they want it. They do not want it right. Just because it is right, it is true. Hashem is the only one, right? That's of course that's proper to know. Jewish nation is a favorite, is the only that it says Hashem said it's the only Jewish, it's the only nation. So I'm God of Israel. Does not say I'm God of French, I'm God of Muslim, God of this. No, it says I'm God of Israel, and all other people are my creations. Very simple. But if you want like to this special status, so and of course it's not for free. What does it mean, right? This concept of teshuva, like everything is forgiven. If like except some like Hil Hashem or something like except even Hil Hashem, it's possible to fix. So all other include wasting seed, you can be forgiven. Like what could be better to be a Jew? So yeah. You understand? But on one hand, on the other hand, it's a lot of work. So if many people, they're lazy. They want to get the benefit, like they want to be this, I don't know, this rich person that they know. But guess what? This rich person maybe has a big house, but he hardly sleeps there. Why? Because he always in the office, so working, going from one country to another, making contracts, I don't know, overseeing stuff, meetings, meetings, I don't know, all of these things. Yeah. Understand? But they see this big house in this fancy schmancy neighborhood. Yeah, but are you agree to work like this person? So in a place where I used to work, right? All of the manager as soon as they make you a manager, you become a slave, right? And they offer me like many years ago. I said no, please. There's one. It was one guy. I said from my group. I said I think he's going to be good, very good manager. No, they make them a manager. Okay, they never heard anybody would say suggest somebody. Never ever. They like three people that look at me like we just offer you to be a manager, and you say that your colleague that came like the guy is. I don't know, he came like 2 years or 3 years after me. The guy's Chinese. His English was not that great, but he was such a brilliant mind. Like in that area where we work, it's like 10, not 10, but 3 me combined together in the area work. So of course I say, yeah, make him a manager. Like I let them have him more money, but the being manager is a slave. He works on Saturday and Sunday, all of the like nights in the morning. Like I'm sleep nice. You understand? So the same is here. You want to be a Jew. You don't have vacation from Judaism. It's like there's no vacation. Constantly you're serving Hashem. You're doing more, and there's no like time when I'm going to go to the beach. Has for sure somebody, right? I'm going to read newspaper or I don't know, watch movies on a computer or something. No, there is no such a thing. So but and a person has to choose. Do I want this life, or I just want to reward of this life? If he wants just to show, it's not going to work, right? Or to get to Gan Eden with Avraham Avinu, it's not going to work. You have to be like a manager, like this, this guy from my group, this Chinese guy, he thanked me because he wanted to be a manager and he deserved it, and he was like always such a good person to me. He never forget that because people told him that I recommend. I said no. I said he should be a better manager. Like unbelievable. They never ever anybody said that. But in my mind, since like I have some Torah in my head, I said because of the money they're going to make him slave, let him be a slave. And but for him it was life. Honestly, he enjoyed it very much. Okay. So that's the difference to convert or not to convert. I would say like practical. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.